How y'all doing? I'm Big Al, and welcome back to the garage. Today, we are here with my 2016 Toyota Camry, and the door handle is broken off, and we're going to replace it. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Anyway, so how did this happen? Okay, so Sunday, we were leaving Sunday dinner at my in-laws. My daughter went to open the door, and it cracked here at the back. I figured no big deal, I'll just epoxy glue it back on. Didn't get around to it, and then yesterday we're picking my 8-year-old up at school. I see him going to open this door, and it's like one of those action movies. No! He reached for it and broke it clean off. So we're going to replace it today. Let's get to it. We have our trim tools. This whole door panel's got to come off, so I've got our trim tools, screwdrivers, and I have removed all of the kid-related detritus from the door. So we're going to start taking some things off, removing some screws, and yeah, let's get on with this. Taking door panels off is never fun, but we got to do it. Let's see. Alright. First, we got this little panel behind the door handle we got to get out. Okay. That popped right out. Now we're going to need our trim tool. Get this out. I bought a whole set of these things for like 20 bucks in advance. Just pops right off. And this needs to come out too. If I remember correctly, there is a trio of Phillips head screws that all need to come out. It's amazing how easy it is when you actually have the right tools. Window regulator plug needs to come out. It's in like Gibraltar. It's going to be like Excalibur coming out of the stone. So we got Phillips, Phillips, Phillips. Those are going to need to come out, but I got to unplug this first, or we're dead in the water. Never want to actually apply brute force to anything in a car. There's a little tab here you need to push down. Then it pops right out. It's keyed. It can only go in a certain way. Perfect. Spring move. I think there are some Torx that we need to remove also once we dig further into this. Tool. Tricky part's going to be the moisture barrier. So you don't want to really damage that. Kids are rough on vehicles, I tell you. Maybe I should time lapse this part, getting this thing off, since so we're going to just start here. Getting a major roadblock. Not wanting to release the clips. There we go. These are just plastic Christmas trees. They pop right out. Okay, it's just my kid's stuff rattling around in there. It's making me nervous for a minute. Alright. Just gently. Oh, there's probably one more retainer that's just stuck somewhere. Alright. The door is off. Unplug here. Again, this just comes down and out. Let's gently remove this handle. Slides right out. Now we can set the whole door. Oh my gosh, there's all kinds of crud in here. Well, we'll vacuum that out in a moment. Alright, here we are. The moisture barrier is right here. That's going to have to come off somewhat. Nice and gently. We want to try to be able to put this back on. The handle is here. Alrighty, so right in here, the handle is held in place with a T27 Torx bit. Don't want to drop that down inside the door. Hopefully just get this whole thing out. Now, there we are. Oh, shoot. I just dropped something down in there. That ain't good. Okay, so we have an actuator fork. It's blue on this car, I guess red on certain other cars. You gotta get this unit out. This whole actuator unit's gotta come out, so these are T25s. This is getting a little nerve-wracking, not gonna lie. Those are not T25s. No way. No, T27s. They're all T27s. Man, this is a massively complex repair. Whew. See why people would take it to the dealership for this. This has to come out. Oh, this is down here. No, we're not going to drop that down the door. No, 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 no. Wow. Okay. If this is supposed to come out or not. It's your door handle assembly. So here we are on the front of the car. I've got the gaskets on. Just gonna slide this into position. It's like a lot of disassembly for just, a door handle. Very unreasonable amount of disassembly, if you ask me. But yeah, that's in. Then I gotta put that other Torx screw back in that's on the other side. Put that thumb thing back on. And just reassemble everything. Let's move you back to the... Okay, so yours truly is an idiot. That thing I dropped into the door was this threaded piece that the T127 bites into. I get my own worst enemy sometimes. So this goes in. Crying out loud, I said this goes in. Okay, I guess it kind of sort of is. Does this go? Yeah, I bet. Then why was it in the door? Or was it? No, it has to go like that. Oh, for crying out loud. Yeah, that. Oh, I think I know what's wrong here. So this piece with the threads in it comes out. And it clips on the door to retain the thing. This is why you're supposed to loosen the T127 and not take it out completely. I'll bring the camera around to show you how stupid I was. Could have saved a lot of trouble by just bringing it to the dealership, but hey, that's no fun, right? Okay. So here is how the whole handle assembly should be on the door. This insert goes into the back part of the handle. We take our gaskets, like so, and that'll keep the gasket from scooching over too far also. This one goes like that. Sorry folks, it's difficult to freehand. Here's our new handle. $68 from Toyota. I figured, you know, you just gotta sometimes bend over and get it from the dealership. So that's that part back on. The thumb cover is gonna go on next. But first we'll do the torques and all that stuff on the inside. Okie dokie. Putting this whole thing back together. Take two. Our T27 bit. They're all T27s, by the way. We're just gonna snug it up with the impact. There we go. Until I feel the slightest bit of resistance. Okay, that seems to be working. Now the real let's clean the door cover. Oh, a little bit with the shop vac first. Okay, so I'm recording the last part of this with my phone. The thumb cover is back in. Okay, door open and shuts perfectly. Let's lock it. Boom. Anyway, that is it for today. I hope you will please like, share, and subscribe. And I will get back to you on the next installment.